Good morning. Welcome to MBA Option Trader. This is Shiva. Day 55 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakh challenge. Date 17/9/2025. Let's wait for market open. Okay, I just entered. You can see market just opened. Okay, let me place first our SL. Then I'll give you the analysis behind the trade. I'm placing SL below this candle. Okay, I just placing SL. Chalo, placed. The reason behind the entry. You can see market open a continue fall. The purple ends a gap. Market never like the gap, so you try to fill. Okay, you can say same time market continued bullish for last 2 days, so there is no strength to continue the trend. So I'm expecting a fall. That's why enter on once market open. Above will not exit. Below gap going to be our target. Okay, you can say as we expected, market started falling. But in case there's chance for the consolidation or create a green candle, then we get a retest, then we can expect a fall. That's why paste rate right trial SL. You can see in bullish angle fin in option chart, because in you can see spot chart the candle try to creating green. That's why let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see as we expected started falling and our trial is got triggered. You can see try to creating green. That's why we exited. Once it give me one more confirmation of retest, we're gonna re-enter the trade. These are the trades and final position. Okay, you can enter once. So let me enter first. Okay, you can see as previously said, I'm waiting for the retracement, and you can see in 5-minute time frame I try to fall at the same day gap place. Gap always work as support and resistance. Today is going to work as the resistance. In 1 minute time frame, you can see day high broken and this 200 movement our target. I'm expecting that continue fall. That's why you can say the first trade you might be think it given a good profit, still we not booking. So you have to follow the rules. That's it. I not book the profit. You can see this gap going to be first target and this black zone going to be our second target. If it case is fall, let's wait for market open below this double top or morning star pattern SL. Okay, you can see I just updated my SL to close. You can see it as after I enter, it try to fall. Right now, it creating a red hammer, and the hammer work at both sides. In case you gonna continue the bullish upside, or in case it's gonna break the low, we can expect a good fall. So it's not an indecided candle. So that's why I updated tight SL. You can see once enter, you given a good profit. Still, we're not booking because if you're placing 10 point SL, but you're booking only 5 point per minute, not gonna work. I have to at least take 1:2. Okay, you can see our SL got triggered. It's okay, but we're following the rules is important. As we expected, we started and following the rules. So I'm expecting to there is one more confirmation. We're gonna re-enter the same trade once again. In case above close, we're gonna enter bullish trade. But I'm expecting a good bearish trade on it today. In case any confirmation, we're gonna re-enter the same trade once again. Okay, you can see these are the order books. Let me show you the final positions. Here is the final position. Okay, let me enter once. I previously said once you give me confirmation, we are re-enter the same trade, but in opposite direction. You can see Nifty try to bullish and day high broken. And previously I said the hammer showing the strength of the bullishness. The upside break, we can expect a good upside rally. So that's fine. But this is not going to be a holding trade. This is going to mostly a scalp trade. I'm expecting a high chance for the above the purple zone going to be the complete gap gonna fill. So there is no scope to continue bullish. So we're gonna exit the trade. And you can see this is the bullish candle. So I'm placing SL below this candle. It has to be bullish exactly span. In case get reversal, high chance there is no strength to continue bullish side. So let me place once the candle close, we're gonna place below the SL only. Okay, let me place tight SL. It has to be bullish. So let me present two titles. Okay, started. So let me update my trailers below this channel only. Okay, you can see as said the high chance for a scalp rate, that's why I entered, and that's why I'm updating trailers once again. There is a short head, don't wait, look for that big target. So you can see it is too close to hit our target only. That's why I updated. Okay, you can see once an updated ISL. If you want to be, I can book the profit right now, but I'm still expecting there is a fall. In case you don't hit completely the gap fill, so that's why. Okay, you can see as expected, it too close to hit our target. At the same time, it hit our trial SL. This will work. Whenever you scalp, just quick entry, quick exit. Don't look for the long term. Whenever we try to look the long term, what is the scalping? That's why I took and exited fast. This is the final position. Back to break even. Okay, let me enter once again. Chalo, once. Shall I enter? You can see. I previously I'm looking for the bearish trend today because there is no strength for the continue the past 2 days try to bullish. You can see. So there is no good consolidation bit downside to support and continue bullish. So I'm expecting the high chance for a fall. Again, you can see this red zone was broken and this 200 movement to our target. Once it candle close below, we can expect a good bearish fall downside. Let me delete this one. And below this 200 EMA going to our target. We just need a good red mother candle. Once it close below, we can expect a good fall. Okay, you can see in 1 minute time we created a hammer. I'm placing the tight SL. So let me place the SL below. Okay, you can say it try to creating a hammer or a green candle. So both not going to good for us because we're in bearish trade. That's why I updated my SL. You can see in bullish angle fin in option chart try to create. That's why updating my trial SL below. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can observe one thing. In spot chart, it bearish and is falling, but the option chart is not moving. That's why exiting this particular trade. We're gonna enter on Nifty. Nifty more bearish compared to the Bank Nifty more bearish. So let me enter once again. Okay. Chalo, as said previously, Nifty more bearish. That's why enter Nifty. You can see continue bullish and try to break day high and fill the gap and created a good evening star pattern and below the candle open. So I'm expecting this gap going to be our first target. Let me place a horizontal line to figure it out. This is the first target and this below going to be our second target. So let's wait for candle. Mostly we can expect a good fall. Above we're gonna place our SL. You can see. I think market it is going to be a consolidation mode. That's why it's trying to create a fake breakers and upside and downside. Both side try to hit our SL. You can see the analysis was a very good and we are following rules also. You can see in spot chart the option is the candle is same pace, but you're gonna see an option chart it too close to hit our SL and it already hit our SL and ready to break the day low. So it has to be there a consolidation expectation. That's why we exited this trade. So I'm expecting their consolidation. If you give me any confirmation we want to enter, then we're not going to trade much today. So let's wait for any confirmation. This is the final position. And okay, this is one of our mostly last trade. Okay, you can say I entered. In price action, Bank Nifty more bearish compared to the Nifty. So you can see the consolidation broken and continue bullish. It has to be continue bullish, but it try to consolidation and try to break the previous hammer. The hammer showing the strength of the buyers, but it again breaking the door. We can showing the strength of the sellers. Expect a good fall. Once we break the day low, we can expect a good target. This is one second target. Let's wait for candle close. Above we wanna place our SL. Okay, you can see. As expected, it started falling. That's why I updated my trial SL below this candle. It has to be fall continually. In case it can take retracement or any support, high chance gonna expect a bullish trade also. That's why I updated trial SL below this candle. Let's wait for the candle close. Okay, you can see. Now it highly confirmed it's going to be consolidation day. You can see in spot chart. Okay. Chalo, sorry, triggered. Let me exit in market. I can say it's not triggered either. Hold till okay, you see. Before the candle close, it hit our trial SL. So high chance there is a consolidation will be on both sides. It again hitting our upside and downside SL. So high chance the consolidation this is the final position. Okay, this is going to our final trade. Mostly I want to stop, but it's giving one more confirmation. Let me take 1 second because from market you can see it fall and create a one more support. It creating a double bottom support, expecting a upside breakout. In case you get reversal, we're gonna exit. We're not gonna trade much. The final trade only. It has to be bullish in this bullish angle fin. So let me place below the SL. Okay, you can see. As you expect, again I try to create a consolidation market and a fake breakouts and ups and downsides. Heights are then we no confirmation in upside downside. That will play a tight SL below this hammer. It has to be bullish exact span. In case reversal, we're gonna exit and we're not gonna trade. Okay, you can see it highly confirmed it's going to be range bound market. Reason you can see our SL got triggered. Okay, it first market opened. Okay, you can see market open. Let me give you the analysis. You can see it fall and created a support. Again try to bullish. Again break the neck. Again fall and again upside bullish. Still again fail. So if both side try to fail upside and downside also. It's showing there is no strength. Expected a good consolidation entire day. So I don't want to waste. No matter how much good your analysis and risk management in volatility and consolidation market, you're gonna lose everything your capital. So don't trade in consolidation market. You can see this is how consolidation market created. This is the final PN. I'm not gonna trade much today. I'm not gonna trade also. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.